Unlock a smoother commute by linking your Apple Pay to the Presto app for effortless transit payments across the Greater Toronto and Hamilton area. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Presto app installed on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Open the Presto app if you're not already logged in. Enter your Presto account credentials. Once inside the app, tap on the Cards tab located at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see your existing Presto cards. Select the specific Presto card you wish to link to Apple Pay. On the card details screen, look for the option to add to Apple Wallet or a similar button that indicates Apple Pay integration. Tap on it. Your iPhone will now guide you through the Apple Wallet setup. You may need to review and accept the terms and conditions. Confirm that you want to add this Presto card to your Apple Wallet. This will create a digital version of your card that can be accessed easily. To pay, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch and hold your device near the Presto reader to tap and pay. That's it. You've successfully added your Presto card to Apple Pay, streamlining your transit experience in the GTA and Hamilton.